Self-esteem. So thanks to me.
Thank you, guys.
I slept 3 hours. I slept. We know. It's not an excuse, but it's a fact. From the beginning. Oh my God, Sole Mio was the first song that we sang together. No, I know, but it's like we just finished the song.
Ah, okay.
Thanks, Rob!
Buonasera, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much. So we want to dedicate to all of you this next song because it's a very important song to us. It's one of the first songs that we sang together. And
Thanks to our love,
so you never talk. When you talk, you interrupt me. Shut up.
we are
So we want to dedicate this next song to all of you.
I'm hungry.
Because thanks to your support, thanks to your love, thanks for our passion. No, thanks to really. We want to say thanks to all of you for the support and the love that you gave us in these years, and by singing to all of you this next song. And thank you so much for being here today. We hope to see you very soon. And this is for you, Il Mondo.